Excited. One, I want to say something. These are gifts. These are gifts from my man. Okay? This is what I gifted myself. My 90K Bulgari, I gifted myself. My 10,000 little bracelet, myself. I love having stuff that I ain't seen nobody wear before. I know for a fact ain't nobody else got this book. I love how he got me the white one last Christmas, and then got me this one, the black one for Valentine's, like the yin to the yang. But I just love having stuff that don't nobody got.